given with the two. Okay, so good morning, everyone. Uh, this Today I'm going to solve one question, which is add two numbers, and okay, so you'll be given with the two. You'll be given with the two non-empty linked list, which is going to represent a non-negative number, and this digit is stored in a reversed order, and each node will contain a single digit as clearly represented over in this diagram. That is 243. So this is representing a number in a reverse order, that will be 342. And similarly in 564, so this is also representing a number in a reverse order, that is 465. So what I have to do basically is I have to add 342 plus 46465. That will give me 807. Is it so? Yeah, is it so? It is so. So that is what we have to do. So okay, so let's start let's start by solving it. So I'm using Java to solve this. So first of all, uh, I'm going to create a object of class linked list. Sorry, list node. Okay, so I'm going to create a dummy head. Okay, a dummy head. Uh, okay, cool. And then I'm going to initialize few more variables. I'll be having P, I'll be having Q, and I'll be having a mm, current object which will be representing dummy head. Okay, that's it. And I'll have an integer variable for carry, and then I'll start my looping. Okay, so this is the basic the main code, in which first of all I'll check that whether P and Q is not null. Okay, so it's basically L should not be null, so it should not be equal to null. Yeah, and L2 as well should not be equal to null. Cool. Now what I'm gonna do is I think I don't need this P and Q. I think I don't need this P and Q. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a variable X which will store. Okay, so okay, let's understand what I'm going to do over here. I'm going to what I'm going to do over here. I'm going to take the value of this. Okay, I'm going to take the first value of this node, and I'm going to check that whether this node, if it has a value, then I'll store this value in X, and if it does not have any value, I'm going to store 0 in it. Okay, so if L1 is not null, then what I'm going to do. Okay, so basically I'm using a ternary operator to minimize my lines of code. Okay, to minimize my lines of code. So I'll be having L1 well, uh, or else I'll be having 0. That's cool. The similar line I'm going to have for my another linked list, that is L2. Okay, so I just need to change a few variable. That is one will be 2, and let's suppose X to be Y. Okay, okay, cool. Now I'll be finding the sum. I'll be finding the sum, and sum equal to, it will be X plus Y plus carry. Initially the carry will be 0, but as soon as the value of carry increases, I'll have to add them. So how will I find out the carry? The carry will be sum divided by 10. And what will be the my actual value of sum? Like what is okay? So what I'm going to add in my card nest. Card next of will be new list node sum modulus 10. Why I'm doing modulus 10? Because I just want a single value, first digit. I don't want the second digit if it does had a second digit. Okay, and then I'll be changing its value. Cool. Okay. So if L1 not equals to null, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do L1 equal to L1 dot next. Okay. Similarly for L2, if L2 null equal is not equal to null, simply send it to L2 dot, sorry, L2 equal to L2 dot null. Sorry, L2 dot next. Okay, I'm very confused right now. Okay, yeah. Now what I'm going to do is, okay, I think my whole code is done, but okay, there can be a condition in which my last digit has a carry. Like my last addition contains a carry. Okay, so I have to satisfy that as well. So if my carry is greater than 0 for that case, I'll have to add this into my dummy node, right? I'll have to add this into my dummy node. So I'm going to add it in the form of a reference, right? Node. Okay, so for the list node, L is capital. Or if we'll ignore all the stuff, is going to give you error. Okay, so I've added carry to it. What I'm going to return that dummy. I'm going to return that dummy head. Okay, cool. I think the code is done. Let me run the code and see. Okay, it's giving me an error. I think I've done a spelling mistake. Yeah, no issues. Okay, so I got it. I'll submit the code and let's check. Let's hope for the best. Okay, so yeah, it's accepted. Cool. Okay, so it is 76.66% faster than the other one. Hope you like the video. Share it to everyone and share it to your friends. And if you like it,